What's going on, everybody? This is Bishop Brad coming to y'all from the Houston Hot Sauce Festival 2013. Look what we got over here, baby. I wanted to introduce this company to y'all, High Octane Sauce Company. Go ahead and give them a little word on your company.
Hey guys, how you doing? This is Kevin with High Octane Sauce Company. Bringing it to you fresh, bringing it to you live, bringing it to you spicy.
What we wanted to do today was we were going to go do a little quick review, do a little sample. I want you to give me your love, baby. I want you to give me what you think I'm going to just show all over there.
Well, we know.
Still ahead faces.
We know Brad likes the nitrous oxide.
Yes, sir.
We do. And this year's crop of peppers have been special.
All right, baby. Look at this. Look at this loving. All right, here we rolling. Here we go. Man, baby!
You're a crazy bitch.
Man! Your mama's a man!
Hey, can you say over the top?
Yeah, a little excessive.
Golly, baby! On flavor, definitely an excellent flavor. Blended well. Peppers are hot. It's hitting my tongue really, really good. On flavor, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this an 8 on flavor. Very good flavor. On heat, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give the actual nitrous, I'd give it a 7.
Label.
On label, market, look at this high octane, baby. Look at these peppers riding these engines of love. Chili fast, boy.
That's spoon.
On label, I'd give him an 8. I'd give him an 8 on label. Loving all of this. All around product. He's got a variety of products. Loving it. Look at all these people loving it right now. Look at them. All around, I'd give it an 8. All around, I'd give it an 8, baby.
Now, I got something special for you, Brad.
Alright?
This is not a real spicy sauce that we make, but it's a flavor.
That's what I love the most.
Cause I know this guy. He's a reviewer. He does this for the industry. Alright, this one here, we teamed up with No Label Brewery. We used the El Hefeweizen beer to make Low Rider with New Mexico chili, red jalapenos, cilantro, and a lot of love. It's an enchilada in a bottle.
That is an enchilada in a bottle. Ted! Give me that camera, Ted. Taste that, what he just did, Ted.
I'm shy.
That is an enchilada in liquid form. If y'all like enchiladas, come over here right now. That is good.
That is good.
That is
good.
good.
Taco sauce.
Yeah.
That is
I tell you
delicious.
what, put that on a steak, put it on a burger, man. Whole new level.
Whole new level. This is High Octane, baby, coming to you from the Houston Hot Sauce Festival 2013. Thank you very much, brother.
Peace out, guys.
All right, bye-bye.